hats in Rorschach, Morschach, Lorschach for Borschach. Life in Dynasty Typewriter.
Ah! Greetings and salutations! I'm attorney Richard Mango! Have you ever been attacked by bugs? Mosquito bite? Bee sting? Moth scare? Well then call me attorney Richard Mango, cause I'll sue those bugs and get you a big cash settlement. Ha! They laughed at me. They said it wasn't possible to sue a bug, but Richard Mango found a way. With me in your corner, those six-legged sons of bitches are going down. All the way down. Just ask these legal experts.
Yeah, okay, legally speaking, you can sue a bug, but as far as financial compensation is concerned, it's out of question.
Ignore that last part. Richard Mango gets results. I used to be just like you, a mild-mannered pornography director. When suddenly, and out of nowhere, ants ruined my picnic. Now, much like Batman, I use my legal expertise to help people just like you. Just ask this satisfied clients.
Yeah, we sued a bug and then I got money. It can't be from the bug though, so I don't know where the money, I don't understand what happened really.
The money was from bugs. Caterpillars are rich as shit. I don't care what people say.
Yeah, I received $10,000 in crumpled bills when we pressed charges against a beehive, but hey, cash is cash.
Ignore that last part. This was poorly edited by my nephew, Joshua. He can't eat a peanut, and I think that makes him weak. Have you ever had bed bugs? Has a spider ever looked at you in a salacious manner? Has a butterfly ever stolen your wife? Richard Mango knows your pain, and Richard Mango knows the law. Just ask these, Judge.
Yeah, okay, listen. We had a trial. I put a cicada on the stand. I gave him 20 years with good behavior, but that's just Florida for you.
Listen, I only work in Florida. Why would I want to work anywhere else? Then I couldn't wear sun hats.
Yeah, I'm Joshua Mango. What Uncle Richie neglected to tell you is that I'm also allergic to almonds.
Joshua can't have nuts or legumes. Is he God's biggest mistake?
Yeah, I'm Detective Jollis with the Miami PD. We are looking for Richard Mango. He's wanted for practicing law without a license and armed robbery. Has anybody seen him? Does anyone know where? Why are you talking to me? Where are you going? What's happening?
Hey, ignore that last part. None of that is true. But for clarity's sake, please take a fleeting glimpse at my official legal license.
Yeah, I knew his license wasn't orange, but hey, cash is cash.
So, if a ladybug has ever discriminated against you in the media, or has a cockroach blown up the hospital where you work, call 1-800-MANGO. That's with 12 A's somehow. Don't believe me? Just ask this flea serving 30 to life without the possibility of parole. What's that? Ha! You would say that, you racist. Book 'em, boys.
Yeah, again, we sued a bug. I got money. I don't understand where the money's coming from.
Here's where it comes from. I kill and steal. Call now.
Wanna see more? Sasquatch. Star Jack Hay, Dan Chan, Nick Will, say what? Thank.